In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard color in Gboard. Step 1 is to open your phone settings and scroll down till you see General Management. Now tap on Language and Input and tap on On-Screen Keyboard. Now tap into Gboard. And the next thing that you need to do is tap on Theme. In here is where you can change your colors. So you can see here I can select a different color. I can also show more colors within the keyboard, and I can select one, get a preview on what it looks like. But we've got more examples here. Gboard gives you landscapes, and you can see what it looks like whenever you add it to your keyboard. If I scroll down a little more, we've got light gradients, and again you can see what that looks like. And then down at the bottom we've got the dark gradients. So again, just choose whatever color you prefer. Another cool thing that you can do is tap on the plus button at the very top and select a picture that you want on your keyboard. So you can see here I've selected a picture. You can adjust the brightness within this keyboard. And whenever you're finished, just hit done and apply. You can also turn the keyboard borders on or off, and that's basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, peace.